This is our 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo, finished in Verde Ithica, which is the metallic pearl green paint. Really not a whole lot I can point out on this car. There are a couple curb spots on the wheels, and these are items that I will have corrected. Just a couple small minor curb marks here, down here. I've got no dings or scratches on the front fender, no dings or scratches on the driver's side door, no dings or scratches down the rear driver's side fender. A little bit of minor curb rash right along this edge here. Tires were just recently replaced on this car. They're date coded. If you can see it, it's upside down. I don't know if you can read it, but 21. So just recently they were replaced. Take a look at the engine bonnet cover, all in good condition. Rear bumper, no dings or scratches. Going around onto the passenger side, no dings or scratches. This wheel, like the others, has some little minor curb rash, but nothing major. But again, we'll have that taken care of. I did just notice going down the passenger side, no dings or scratches on the door, no dings or scratches on the fender. Front wheel, just some really minor curb rash on that. Take a look at the front bumper. There's no dings or scratches on the front bumper or the front bonnet. Headlamps are not hazed over. No cracks or stars in the windshield. Take a look at the interior. The interior on this car for a Gallardo is actually really nice. It's got the normal waviness that you see on almost all of them on the door panels. That's just typical of almost every Gallardo you're gonna see. The dash on this is in very good condition. There's no lifting or pulling or cracking. Take a look at the seats. The seat does need a little bit of minor dye work, which we do on all of our cars. Just have not done it yet. This car literally just came in. Over here to the passenger side. See, the passenger seat is in very good condition. Gonna need maybe just a little bit of dye work there. Again, everything's in good condition. I don't know if you can see in the video here, but the temperature gauges, the car's been idling now for about 5 minutes. You can see everything's up to temperature and where it should be. And lastly, I have the top back up. Just want to show you how nice the condition of this top is. There's no wear marks, no holes. Some very minor marks here. I don't know if it's going to show in the video, but no significant wear spots and no holes in the top at all. All right, I'm going to do a couple revs of the engine so you can hear it from back here.